This is a Bizzle Power Force, a vacuum cleaner with a roller. Belt over here and turn it on. Nothing moves. Again. And again. Over here, there's an area of interest that we need to get to. So let's shut down, pull our cord out, open this up nice and wide, and lay it down flat. What we're going to do now is get things out of our way and do some research what we need for this. With the screwdriver, start to take apart 6 screws. Put them to the side and lift off. If it doesn't pull off, look at the front, see if there's anything holding it. There are clips over here, 3 of them. And they come out. We have a belt, and the belt broke. So now we need to go find where to order a belt. So a little research finds the part, and over here is going to be your 2191 model. And you can get it from Brissel for $7.99 or Amazon at $6.99 with 10% off, or get an additional one or 2 more, a total of 4 for $9, a real savings. And that's it. That's how you would repair it. So now the next step is to take the belt, slide it on by lifting up the roller straight out, placing the belt on to the area, sliding back in, making sure the circle goes on one and the square goes on the other, and then bringing it around this little area here on an angle, everything will be into place. This is just a demonstration of getting the belt on. The belt number here, if you want to look, is 3031120. And that's it. Clean this up, clean everything up, and you have a brand new vacuum cleaner. I did my best to demonstrate how the belt will go on, and we're just waiting for our belt. And that's how you take care of your vacuum cleaner.